I don't think we can climb that one. Well, maybe they were just testing the bridge because I did not see anything go through.
One eternity later.
Sam's Creek Kayak Launch and Manatee Viewing Area. Well, here we are up at Pine Island, north of Merritt Island. Let's see what we got. But I'm glad to have you guys along today. Had a little struggle getting here. Apparently first day of school, crap ton of traffic. Now let's see what we got back here. Oh, the little canoe launch. A lot of mangroves. Cute little area. Probably be a lot of fun for a canoe. Not so fun for the motorcycle. Which today is, of course, the 2022 Honda Africa Twin. We have a full tank of gas. Not really sure where we're going to go today. But let's explore. We're actually not too far away from Kennedy Space Center. We may take a trip up there. The trail I wanted to take is closed off. I've never been here before, so we're just gonna check it out. Road closed. Okay, looks like Pine Island is kind of a bust for us. Pretty area, but it's way too hot to do too much walking around. And you can see in front of us is the Blue Origin buildings. They build a lot out here. And we're just going to do a drive-by here. There's plenty of other videos on the internet if you want to see it. It's not worth the $75 ticket for me today. Over there you can see the Vehicle Assembly Building, the VAB. I don't think there's a launch today. Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. It's actually quite a place. It's definitely worth the trip. I recommend it. Now let's take a right here, see if I can show you the back side of the Space Center. Right there you can see the boosters for the old shuttle. The rocket garden. Apollo laying down. "40 launches this year already." It's quite a few. And right in there is where the shuttle Atlantis is on display. First U.S. manned spacecraft, the Mercury. Bunch of solar collectors over there. Well, the sign said Seminole Ranch Conservation Area. I say check it out. Haven't been doing too good yet today. And it still looks like we're not going to be doing too good. Boat ramp. It's certainly a dead end. Okay, that was not as exciting as I thought it could be.